Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Honda HR-V. First, confirm your iPhone is compatible with CarPlay. Next, always use a high-quality, certified USB cable to ensure a reliable connection. Finally, find the USB data port in your vehicle, which is typically located in the center console or dashboard. This port is essential for the initial setup process. Once your iPhone is connected via the USB cable, the car's display screen should automatically prompt you to set up Apple CarPlay. Follow these on-screen instructions carefully. You may also need to grant certain permissions on your iPhone itself, such as allowing CarPlay to access your data. This step ensures a secure and functional connection between your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. With CarPlay successfully connected, you can now access a wide range of features directly from your car's display. Navigate with Apple Maps, enjoy your favorite music, and send messages using compatible apps. For added convenience and safety, use Siri for hands-free voice commands. You can also personalize your CarPlay app layout to suit your preferences, making your driving experience more enjoyable. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your iPhone and the Honda HR-V's infotainment system. Also, ensure both your phone and car have the latest software updates installed, as this often resolves connectivity problems. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience with Apple CarPlay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.